poopy butt.
What, Nicholas? You don't say that.
Poopy butt.
He's saying poopy butt. Hey everybody, how's it going? Armando and Nicholas back here for got another unboxing. I've been waiting all week for this one since I ordered it on Target.com. You probably know what it is. You know what it is from the thumbnail. But I'm really excited for this one. It's a Funko Pop / Funko T-shirt bundle set.
Oh.
What are you doing?
No.
You're gonna fall down. Okay, let's open this guy up. So, what did you just drop?
My Mario.
Right. So this just came in the mail earlier. We just got back home from work. I just got a haircut. I'm sure you can tell, but I was long overdue for a haircut. I had some clown hair coming out the side.
What's that?
Anyways, ooh, look at this box.
Wow.
Boom. We've got the Target exclusive Deadpool metallic Funko Pop with matching t-shirt. It's like Ariel in the Little Mermaid. She wants to be a part of your world! But I didn't know this I didn't know the box was gonna be metallic as well. That's a nice touch. This is a nice box. It's got a saran wrap thing. Look at what? Is that Mario? Hey Nicholas, when's your birthday party?
Mario.
Yeah, he's
A cupcake.
today's Thursday. On Saturday, Nicholas, we're hosting his 3rd birthday party, and it's gonna be Super Mario themed.
And a cupcake.
And cupcakes?
Yes.
Yeah, and Christina's she's basically doing the sweet table for the party, so she has awesome Mario themed cookies. There'll be new videos coming soon on her channel of all that. And okay, open up the box. First thing in is the t-shirt.
I'm pretty sure it's mine.
Oh, it's mine.
It's not too big.
They didn't have these in your size.
Not too big.
Yeah. Look at that. You like it?
Yeah.
Look, it's Mermaid Deadpool, Nicholas.
No, this is on the water.
Yeah, it's in the water. Oh, that's amazing. That's beautiful. Should I try it on?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try it on. Here, you're gonna sit down right there, Nicholas. Get nice and close. And Daddy's gonna try this on right here. You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! Check out my shirt!
I want to say my day.
How's the new shirt look, Nicholas?
Good.
I got my Mermaid Deadpool shirt. Under the sea, under the sea.
I want to see my day.
You want me to sit right there?
Yeah.
Alright, so the shirt's awesome. I really love the shirt. We didn't find the regular Mermaid Deadpool in store. And based off the pictures, I didn't really want the metallic one, but it's actually, this looks pretty good in person. A lot better than I expected. I thought the metallic would be like too shiny and off-putting, kind of like not matching the rest of the pops we have, but I was gonna just try to trade this one for one for the regular Mermaid Deadpool. But as this boy is begging for, we're going to open it.
I want to open it.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, move it.
Oh, she's kind of in there tight. Is there anything? This head's really tight in there. Look at that. Is there anything holding this down? Why is it stuck in there? Oh man, that was tight.
Hey.
I think some of the, felt like the paint was like sticking to it. Everything looks good though.
A bobblehead.
Check her out, or him. Check Mermaid Deadpool out. Yeah?
I want a Deadpool.
Oh, that's awesome.
I want to do
That's awesome. Let's look at this. Check her out, buddy. How's it look? You like it?
Yeah, I want to see.
I'm showing the camera really fast. So let's show the camera. Woo! Oh. I saw some people posted about this one not standing or sitting up too well. The head's really heavy, so I feel like it was leaning back and just falling. But mine's a little wobbly, but She'll look good on the shelf next to the other Deadpools. Yeah? So what do you think, Nicholas? You like this?
That's a bobblehead.
It's a bobblehead? Yeah. You like this one, Nicholas?
I want to be on my wall.
Yeah? I'm gonna get a cool picture of this for the thumbnail. Oh! Another thing Another thing I got in the mail today was this, I got this Ear Donnie enamel pin based off of the old TMNT line action figure. I got it right here. But I got a cool picture of this as well. You can scope that on my Instagram. If you want to check that out, link to my page is in the description of this video. But thank you guys for joining us. I appreciate you watching along, and we'll see you next time. Not sure what's coming next, but I'm definitely gonna document all the awesome birthday party stuff at his birthday.
What's that?
What's that?
My toy.
Yeah, that's Daddy's toy. All right, you want to say bye-bye, Nicholas? Under the sea.